welcome back to my channel. These are my K project inspired nails. Starting off with the index finger, we're going to make Shiro's red parasol. Using a dark red, draw a slightly curved triangle in the middle of the nail. Make the edges pointier than mine is. Now connect your triangle to a skinny black line. Now you want to shade in your triangle with the red polish. Color the top of your parasol with a dark green, then connect it with a tiny stick at the top. Now for the pinky and the thumb, we're going to do a crystal ball marble design that's seen a lot throughout the show. Rip off a piece of a makeup sponge to get a jagged edge, then coat it with white polish and dab on a wispy cloud pattern. Now you're going to want to do the same technique except with the dark red you used before. This time you're going to put it on the perimeter of the nail and only a little bit in the center. For your middle and ring finger, you want to paint your middle finger white and your ring finger black. You want the spine of your K to start in the middle of the nail, so that the K seems more off to the side. Also, try not to pack too much color on your K. It's supposed to look distressed. what do you think? Did I nail it or did I fail it? Please like and subscribe. The music is in the description, and thank you so much for watching.